want more international matches?
Yeah, definitely.
This stadium you'll get for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
This stadium's
That's not an
awesome.
issue.
Yeah, okay, fantastic.
The Goa is waiting for international matches.
Yeah, okay.
They are trying very hard for the international stadium in the state of Goa.
Yeah, okay,
So
fantastic.
just 6 months back, before I was also a sports minister.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we have tried a lot, but definitely by the blessing of you all people and
Wow.
the government of India will definitely going to have a international.
If we can help, if I can help in any way, let me know. But it is such a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Players want to come
Everybody
here. for
loves
sure.
to come down in the
Of
state
course, of course. Yeah, beautiful. Well, now you can holiday and watch cricket.
Yes.
And you have football, Goa Football Club?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Football is huge.
Very positive talks as Michael Clarke is allowed to come down to Goa for playing international matches. थोडंसं GCA आणि गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा हेजे भितर थोडेशे रस्सी खेच आसा म्हणून तो थोड्योशो काही गोष्टी मुखार वचपाचो काही गोष्टी उरिल्लो आहा बट डेफिनेटली माय गव्हर्मेंट विल डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू हॅव द इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा.
Definitely, the state needs a good ground. The debate and the thing between where and when, I think the decision needs to come as quick as possible, and the chief minister will talk on that.